It's in the computer?
No, it's in the computer.
What? Computer.
Hoot! Woo!
It's in the computer. Ooh, yeah.
How to actually make money with AI and not just talk about it like everyone else. Hey, AI is here. It's not the future, it's right now. And if you're not using it properly, you're either getting left behind, drowning in guru nonsense about prompt engineering, which is basically just fancy Googling, or still manually sending invoices like a caveman. So let me help you fix this. If you want to make money with AI as fast as humanly possible, your business needs to do these 3 things immediately. Step 1, get developer access to everything, not business account access, not admin access. Developer level access. Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, the whole crew. Why? Because that's how you unlock automation and stop doing things manually like a peasant. And no, this isn't illegal, but it feels like it should be. Step 2, start warming up each platform with simple automations. Notice I said simple automations, not some AI-powered, deep learning, blockchain-enabled, metaverse-integrated nonsense. I'm talking about basic workflows. Auto-respond to leads. Follow up faster than a desperate X. Move data between platforms without downloading 50 CSV files. Keep it simple. Get results fast. Step 3, automate the stuff that actually makes you money, not social media. Look, I love a good LinkedIn post as much as the next guy, but automating your Instagram captions is not going to 10 times your revenue. You know what will? Fixing your service delivery. Automate onboarding. Automate follow-ups. Automate fulfillment. When you make more money per customer, you don't need a million new customers to scale. Smart, right? Do these 3 things and you'll survive at least another 6 months, maybe even longer. Kinda joking, kinda not. Point is, if you don't start implementing AI now, you're already behind. So get moving. Now, P.S., if you want me to set this all up for you so you don't have to watch 200 YouTube tutorials and pretend to understand Python, just hit me up. We'll make it happen fast.
Mikey AI.